Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
Oh, thank you so much. Right, so I found a seat here. This. Hello, guys. As you can see, today we are going to walk through Clarke Quay, which is a very beautiful place in Singapore, and we will walk through the whole stretch all the way there. Yes. All right, let's start. This is a beautiful stretch, the whole stretch beside the canal. You can see, and for the fine dining. If you're looking for fine dining, Clarke Quay is the best place. Good evening. Thank you so much.
Chinese food also, we have Indian Mexican. And you want to
Okay.
on the Riverside while drinking happy hour.
Okay. What is that?
We have whiskey soda, rum coke, gin tonic, sir. 790.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, you
Oh, thank you so much.
You want a drink or no?
Can I be back?
Oh yeah. You
Want a
remember
back?
us, sir, our village.
Sure. I will be back.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Adikoto. Thank you so much. They are very friendly. That's really amazing something. Oh wow. Shrimp. And those are the crabs, prawns. Thank you so much. Rum cookie. Really a beautiful environment and relaxing for fine dining. Thank you so much. Yours. Thank you so much. Nara. Chili crab. How much is your chili crab? $88.
Yeah, this one I can give you a free package.
Is it based on the size or the
800
kg or grams?
Between 800 gram to 1 gram.
Okay.
Yeah, this is it. If you want this, I will give you tiger free mask.
You mean tiger free?
Yeah. This will have.
Oh, you mean the tiger beer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
This is really great. There are other people this year is a delight.
Oh, okay. I love to have a chili crab actually, but I tried different places.
Yeah.
So so far I didn't
This
try
is a
Sichuan
yeah.
cuisine. Okay,
Little tiny.
looks nice and got a space at the. Okay, let me take a round. I will be back. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God, it's really huge crab. That's really the huge one. You're alive. Woo! I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of foods, there are a lot of different kind of cuisines, Indian, Asian, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, lot of, and I'm really shocked with those. It's so huge. Ooh. And I don't know what is really this. What is this? Wow.
Hello, madam.
They're enjoying the drink at the same time enjoying the football match. That's nice. It's really amazing to have food here, especially if you got a seat at the corner there, outside there. Asia Market entry. Okay, looks good. This always okay. Thank you so much. Okay. That's a nice one. I think I would like to sit here and have some food.
Lola, separate mo.
Thank you so much. I promise her that I will be back, and I'm just gonna have one pint of. Yeah.
Have a seat.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Where can I sit? Can I have?
Over there?
Yes, please. Thank you so much. I love it. Okay. Thank you. I got this table with a beautiful view at the riverside. It's amazing view from here. Right, so I found a seat here. This, and it's really amazing, as you can see. Beautiful view, right? So I'm gonna put you there, or maybe I put it on. It's really relaxing, and it's a beautiful view there. I didn't expect that I will have this beautiful view with a nice table here. It's really amazing, beautiful view, as you can see. Clarke Quay, Riverside, amazing. While waiting for my order, so I'm gonna wait here until I think they're gonna take a long time. I don't know. So it's gonna be.
That shit put it in like.
Are you gonna pay there? Okay, thank you. I kept my promise, yeah? Oh, where to pay? How to pay? It's nice inside. Okay, thank you so much. Alright, done my paying bills. Bye bye. Thank you. I ordered. Alright, so here the stretch, the whole stretch as I have been.